So this woman gave birth to 2 babies, and the doctor is telling her that she gave birth to just 1 baby. And she's convinced in her heart that it's 2 pikin, and she push come outside. But doctor tell her, say, now 1 pikin, now you born. The woman can't go mobilize the rest women for her area. May they come ask the doctor, say, where are pikin dey? Now, doctor, they beg, what's going on in this country? What is actually here God happening? Even countries like Pakistan that are not even civilized or they are even still very poor and broke, I don't think things like this is happening there. Person born 2 pikin. You tell us in 1 pikin. People, what do you want to use the other pikin do? Now you get her. What do you want to use the other person? The baby said the pikin die. You just tell the woman say now 1 she born. The woman will push and come and say, I born 2. Now 2 times 9, I feel the pain. Now 2 times 9, I born 2. The doctor said now 1. The woman no fit even shout. She just went to the neighborhood. Let the rest women come outside. Make the doctor come explain to them. Say now 1 pikin and she born. Maybe the quarter where you watch from the screen, but I am so confused. Like, how will somebody give birth to 2 babies and you're saying the person gave birth to just 1 baby? Wait till you want to use the other pikin to make una educate for government. Wait till the doctor be want to use the other pikin to. You want to farm? Pikin na Indomie. God, that big. Things they happen. The country just is spread from left, right, center, middle, both government, both citizens, all of them. Dabaro. Bad people, bad hearts.
Lady ko wo ya wa wo nkura mienu na owo nkura mienu na ne tie ye no ye de baako e na abre no na o se na ope baako na aka no ne ba na baako na aka no we na de ombe kan se wo no wa film na o ma pen no pen na kira kwan wa film na we na omo wo fie 7 months time okoshia doctor ya odi na wo no ne yire a ye nim time an yire ne nyinsan ya ne yire no ekura akura na otwipi doctor ne yire na oni ne ba no pepe bi ko nkura ne ye ntafo na say wanya confirmation bi eche ne ba na yeti wawu no akra no wu ye e na o tripini abusua no okokan ya you say beginning ne de sika no sinyama afo no ho na ewonti no omuhunu na no ye be chi watum ye be you say man kasa ebusu sem first no ye ya Africans first say dey ya dey say oyere nyim na okwakwo wo a unkobi otina fi na oyere wo wi a ye tubofo abeka kiro so wo ba na wo be na ana say ombe from dia phone wo ebe fra aka so papa obadanya we na mumi ne niam asesa ne ni pa bonefo abanti ye bo ase oyere ko no aho wo mre ana wo ben na ya ono no nko wai ana tu obi a obedina wanam na no nko na mra no ko mpoma kwan se so oyere no pese ogina ne nchen wo wa obi a ni ho betima ka so ma onyina ne nchen ebe show scraps doctors ne mo no mo chen bia mo akogina ahwe bia ma akwa na wo se supervision bi wo so ya ogusu aye na ni aside say ye beka sa akwa na film no kwa no yeso apin kura enye Newton yeso apin kura obi pebe ma otimi kwaje obi de ba obi wetima woni de na yare wonu obesisare akwaje obi de.
I will say as of few social media, there's this old story here assign a poppy up a trendy very 2 days ago ya na story ni na e fa ma bi okowo ye na bosusu se doctor ni awia ne ba ni na se ma me no enyin san ye okọ hospital no ko sisi wo ye e doctor ba ko pe e na ehwe na doctor na ehwe no chance kan no ana doctor na chere se enkwala na anyin san na wonyem no e ye ntafo ampa nya me di ne ho afofie e ma ne ko wo ye na wo ko wo ye no wo ntafo afi ba ko ene ye de bre no na eno ana okobisa se ne ba ne ba ko aka wo he ana doctor no ebe ka che ne se abofra no afri mu wote ase eje ne ba no e de ne kofi a wo no de wonim se eye ba mienu na wo ya ba ko firi mu akoka ba ko enu achi e na busia wo ko hu se doctor ni na wo je na wo no ne yire ekita akwala wo bepiri ye no hwe akwala no hwe ne ba no hu se me be ya okita ni yes ne ye wi ni o hwe ma no ye chi ene ne se pa e ho no gina so ka se ene na doctor no akwala no ka che ne se wo wu no enye se ne ba na wo mu ne ba no ana de na kwa akoma na yire na busia wo di echi ne ko ye nsem bebre da na me no e ka se ye bo Agyekum Francis abepa nsem ni na wonto a ne etu mo poten no whatever better abontina me pese ye beko nya kwakwo he maame ni video se no be kire ni nsem ni kwan a ohu se ne ba no doctor no awia na afi ye bo Agyekum Francis so ono so ni twemu a wode ba ne se no so be pa nsem ni ha ho tuma no ye nka mbom ye ko heri nyina na ye kodo na stress wo mi subscribe button no so e de mama ya no wakai se wo de be ono be ka ho sa no upload mi tumpe one first person ya won se bi dika dem so me se obra mi ye ko TV no e ba e bi de kire nkom.
Now I've given them the summary. You can now state how everything happened. Oh, please, don't give us a long listing. Just tell us how everything happened.
I will just tell you people the important one.
Okay.
2022, April, I went to a hospital along this Lugbe Road. The first time they give me, it was doctor that explained everything to me that I'm carrying cytokines. The second one, I tried to take it home and they said no. It's their procedure that no one should take the scan result home. It's still the doctor that explained it to me that I'm carrying set of things. So when I went home, I showed my husband that this is what they explained to me. My husband saw it and then I returned it the following day back to them. The third one is the very day that I gave birth to the children. Before they could take on with the CS, they asked me to tie wrapper and let them go and do the scan. We then did it and they told me again that I'm carrying set of twins. My husband was there. Reaching to take the baby's clothes, they take only 2 showel and 1 cloth. I asked them why. The nurse told me that no, that one of the baby was sick. That after giving birth to the baby, the children, they will now put oxygen on one. I said okay. I pleaded with them to allow my husband to enter inside. They say no, that is their own procedure. Husband, you don't need to enter. I said okay. So reaching inside, I saw doctor standing there wearing this doctor uniform and one other guy again. Just that I can't make sure the name here. So after everything, they give me the injection instead of my spinal cord. They now give me on my shoulder because I was asking why. They said it's doctor that said they should give me the injection. I said okay. I didn't say anything again. So after everything, they brought only one child to my husband, and that very child was so sick that my husband took the baby to another hospital, and they told my husband that it's 50-50. So after that, I asked one of the nurses that tried to fix a drip on me. I said, where is my twins baby? They said, no, the baby is dead and scattered. I said, have you shown my husband the dead body? She said no, that doctor said no one should let us know. I said okay, I kept quiet. When the doctor, the day that he tried to discharge me, I asked him, where's my twins baby? He said, the baby is dead and scattered. I said okay, which I told my husband. My husband told me that we can't fight this battle now. Look at me, I have no money. And look at this baby, he's still on oxygen, taking some medication. I keep quiet because then we don't have anything in our hand. So after 6 months, I went to immunization and I saw a baby in Dr. Wife's hand. I asked her, she said she's a twins baby. I played with them. After, when I went home, I told my husband that I've seen my baby. He said, how? I said, my baby is with Doctor's wife. Which me and my husband went that very day in the evening, and my husband used his own eyes to see it. Since then, I've been visited them, helping her in house choice, all in the name to get access to my child. So one day I got angry and I asked the doctor, I said, where is my twins baby? Because I believe that he's not there. He said, why do you want to come and carry the baby? I said, you told us that the baby is dead, which we know that is not there. Where is our twins baby? He said, this is your twins baby. He now asked me that, are you sure that you are not going to stay here in this village with this child? Because everybody know that he's the one that owns this child. He's the one that this child is in his care. I said, okay, me and my husband want to relocate to another country. That is how I try to deceive him. So along the line, his wife now stand up that, why do you want to hand over the child to this woman? That since the child was a little baby, she did not come to to fight for this child. It is now that the baby has completed 1 year that the woman want to come and fight for the child. I've been the one watching the poo-poo, watching all the. So doctor now say, okay. The woman now asked the doctor that I should call the police on this woman. I was there. Before you know, the doctor started shouting that if you allow this woman to take this child, I will expose you. Doctor said the woman should take off the child because it's her child and not your own. It's a big argument between them. Before you know, people started coming due to how the woman, she was shouting. They took me to the police station and asked me that, is your husband aware? I say yes. When my husband came, they asked us that we should go for DNA test, which my husband said, okay, we will go for DNA test. My husband asked, is how much? They say it's 250,000 naira. My husband said, no problem. Then we'll look for money to pay. Reaching like 1 hour and some minutes, they now came out again and said they should bring us from cell. When they bring us out, they now told us that they can't do the DNA test anymore. Now until the baby completes 8 years before they will do the DNA test. That they are going to take us to Kuje prison if we ask for the DNA test again. That they are going to write a paper for us to go to court to write court affidavit. That to ensure them that we are not the owner of the child. That we
so we take you to court to say you are not the owner. Yes,
they write a paper. We tried our best, but they were hitting me on my head, and everybody bear witness, calling me mad woman. That she's a mad woman trying to steal another man child. I was there. Really, the day to finish everything, the brother of the doctor now had my husband on his ear and tear his ear. Blood was coming out. My elder sister with the husband
in front of the police.
In front of the police.
The elder brother of the doctor.
Yes, sir.
You, they tear your ear.
Yes.
They tear his ear. The blood was rushing out.
He says he's a retired soldier.
He says he's a retired soldier. I think that I was thinking.
To come and spoil his brother's name and everything. Then before you know, as we were begging, he hold my ear, open, twist it. Before you know, blood started coming out. Inside the police station, the doctor was even saying that government has given him power to make alive and to kill. That the mother is the most dangerous native doctor. Nobody can do him.
That's what the doctor said.
Yes, sir.
I was expecting that maybe something will come.
When the doctor say he has the power to take life and
yes,
and to make alive, there is a doctor that he has the government has given them power.
License to kill and to make alive.
License to kill and to make alive.
In front of police.
Yes, sir.
And they did not say anything.
Okay.
So they now ask my husband that he should go. They hand over the paper to him that if he don't go and do the court affidavit that they are taking us to Kuje prison for good 7 years, then by that time the baby will complete 8 years. We had no option because my other sister and the husband was there. They didn't say anything. Only to call me and my husband that we should leave the baby. They know that the baby, the doctor people were begging them that they know the baby is yours, but the way we took the matter is a shameful matter that they can't expose them now.
That's what your sister said?
Yes, sir.
Your own blood sister?
Yes, sir. I say, if you say you don't even have anything to give your children, then you want to collect this one to come and join the day. I say, sister, why now? Even though it's Gary that I'm drinking, at least nobody is paying my children's school fees. My husband has been there trying his best. He said, I should leave the baby alone. I said, okay, me and my husband left because we don't have anything to say anymore. Because when I was looking at her, it's as if that I should punch her, but I allowed it to go. When we reached the police station, they handed over the paper to my husband. The policewoman, one of the policewomen, followed my husband to the court. Then they signed the court affidavit that you will not near the baby again. That our baby is not our own. That baby is not our own. That will not even go close to their gate again. We should not go close to their hospital, which we hand over because nobody stands for us. Then after some months, one organization stand up for us. They were looking for me for a good 3 weeks. No one see me until that very day. They saw me and the man explained everything that he's going to fight for us. Which we followed the man. When I reached the police station, they was begging me, madam, please, mommy twins, you don't supposed to take this matter so high like that. We are here to settle everything now to give you your child. Mommy twins, I say no, we are going to that command. I'm not going to stop here anymore. You people know that it's my twins and you people vow to suffer me and my husband then. So I will not allow anyone to call me that name. Stop calling me that name. They started begging, even his friend, the doctor friend, now say, oh, his friend, doctor is gone. I said, I don't care to know. Then to hand over the file to me, let me go and submit it. They refused to hand over the file. They were begging, kneeling down begging. I do as if I've get angry. I left. Then they now call me back, hand over the file to me. Then now the woman now sign it and hand over it to me. Then when I left, I told my husband that I've collected the file.
The police file?
Yes, sir.
The investigation file?
Yes, sir.
To transfer the case
yes,
from
yes, and before I even collect the file, one year before that very time that I collect the file, the policewoman, 2 of the policewomen called me that I should come. That very day is my elder brother wedding eve. They called me that I should come, that they want to see me, which I went them, and they told me that they just want to see me. I said, why are you people calling me? I think we have ended this matter. They say, but they just want to see me if I'm slim. I said, no. So my baby wants to wee. Then I take him to the backyard. The window was there, close to me and my baby. I was telling them that you should tell the woman the truth now. Let her hand over the baby to her. This one said, no, let's wait a little bit. This one, they were arguing. Then when I came outside, they were like, did I hear anything? I said, no, ma, I didn't hear anything. They said, okay, you can go home now. Which I went home, I told my husband everything before I even collect the file. So when we reached the command, and the madam now asked that they should bring the 3 children to her.
3 children?
Yes, because he hold 2 there. My own and another one, he says they are twins.
Please, I don't understand.
They say they are twins.
The one that you claim that is your own?
Yes, with another one.
Then we now had another baby again together. And now say 2 of them are twins.
Yes, sir.
His own twins.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on.
Yes, sir. So the madam now say she gave birth to 3 plates. The second one say I gave birth to twins. That you bring the children. I don't want to know who is the mother. That we should stay behind. Which we stay behind. Then bring the 3 children. Immediately the woman saw the children. In that point, this one in my hand and that one that I'm claiming. Yes, sir. Now, in that point, the second one that I'm claiming that is my own, that these 2 children, they are twins. No changes. The other one,
like very well.
yes, sir.
Even up to now.
Then they have not back the hair.
Okay, like this, that now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, say this as the twins. Then the one again in their hand look exactly again like me. You know, say, madam, why are you fighting for these twins? This one now that stand here is your own. Before the IPO now say, no, madam, they are fighting for these 2 dada. This one now she's fighting for the 2 dada. Why this other man is fighting that is his own? You don't say, okay, and you call yourself a doctor. No, now, this twins is for this woman now. You now check my husband's face. See, this is the father of the twins. Because that one too and this one look exactly like my husband. He said, no, these are the twins. He said, doctor, you have many cases here. You are not a doctor and you went and do CS. Now you went and steal somebody's child. He said, you have different cases here.
In command?
Yes, sir. They now give him hit in that place. Then the woman now said, okay, we should go, then they should give us date to come for the DNA test.
Okay.
When the day,
young man, small.
Then give us the day to come for the DNA test. We came, me and my husband with my baby in my hand. Doctor went and brought his brother and some of his lawyer. We now ask the IPO, what is going on? Where is the doctor and the wife and the twins baby that they claim they have? The IPO say we should not worry that is going there now. He asked the doctor, we don't know what happened. They begin to quarrel. The IPO now say, doctor, you know it yourself that those twins are not your children. Those children are not your children. Doctor, please tell the whole world that those children are not your children. The doctor lawyer now say, if you say it's not his children, then you prove it. He said, let's do the DNA test to prove it. If he get mine, let's do it. Before you know, whether in a fight, we don't even understand what is going on anymore. So the IPO now told us that we should go home. We should go home. You call us to come back again. The DNA test must be conducted. Which me and my husband went back home. On our way going back home, the IPO now called me and my husband and doctor wife have run to first CID to report that we come to steal her baby. Already our own paper have been submitted in first CID. So we now say, okay, what are we going to do? He said the doctor with his people don't want to do the DNA test to show that those children are not his children. But nothing.
Lady now wako wonta afo doctor na afa akora na baako de baako pe amana wasi baako na aka na afiri mu a lady na kokuruma ko hia doctor na yiri a doctor na yiri kura akora 7 months ne de paper okotwetuni doctor na yiri na nkrane ye ntafo nti doctor ne yire no ba ne ba no sepepepe na osan di na ni tu fom se da bi ma me hwe ne ma bi nka ho a okohu se ne ba no na homi wo problem a o check doctor no ba no so dia no homi san wo problem nti odi asem na akompanfo anim a ye twe ne tan wate ye so so wontie ma me mum na me nyina so nka asem nkire Ghana for labor ward suade wi ansa wakọ ye bo ade asem a me kan isi wo Nigeria lady no fa yafunu a obi anim se wafa yafunu okotwa scan na nkrane ye ntafo ena o se nka ye fa scan results no e man fa koche ni ku na facility ni so wo mo nya ni sa o mo de scan no betwa ye mfa ma doctor na oje na wo na o se you wate ena okoka che ni ku na ku se da bi me di akira kwa kohwe se ampa because oba won ntafo me ku na ni age ni ku so koe the same thing you chira na ampa che se na yire enyim ntafo na mo mi amfa results no anase scan we na ammo document ena omo behwe yafunu ya ama yafunu yini eben so be wonya central scan na nkura mienu na da suwo lady ko wo ya wa wo nkura mienu na owo nkura mienu na ne ti ye no ye de baako ena abe no na o se na ope baako na aka no ne ba na baako na aka no we na yo mbe kan so ono wa film na o ma pen no pen na kira kwan wa film ena o se sa obe ni den se doctor se kasa wuntimi ntabi wonche da ni omo adwuma ye na omo ye no kwan fa so yo mo adwuma nti ne wo hwe me anko wo kwan mfa so yo moduma o tie na kira wo video like unya like ya ena ono ye okofie ni kuru so na ni ku ya friend ni kuru so bo na mane na so jetum na omokofie na we na omo fie 7 months time okoshia doctor ya odi na wo no ne yire a ye nim time an yire ne nyinsan ya ne yire no ekura akura na otwipini doctor ne yire na oni ne ba no pepe bi ko nkura ne ye ntafo na osuro be de obeda ko kase obi ba e oba abusu semsei osuro antimi anka na o so di na nitutu foma na ohu nyema nketenkete bi a error nketenkete bi a wo no ne ba no na o de hwe doctor de na ohu se bibia ye pe na se wanya confirmation bi a che ne ba na yeti wo no akra no wu e na o tripini abusuan okokan ya o se beginning ne de sika no sinema afo no ho na wonti no omo hunu na ye be chi watum ye be yo hey man kasa ebusu sem ye hunu na na this so on je ntum ya twena asemi wo court after defamation so wa go bi ani mas na court ye twena asere ni abasa asema ba fi ya twena time make carbon no tofa nyina na se be wi esen kan ye chi sisa ipo ni ku na akwa ko bi e ma court nsem to ma ton mo fi kro o mo tim e na asemi ya kan e be wi a chi na ma se da bi akwa nyina na wo nyina data na asa mo ben 1 year ye nya akwa di ni na en confirm nya asem no pa me twa no mo se mo nya di ni adi sa akwa na nya 4 years and I see anti actually ya mo ya no so nyombe no mo ye die ni ku ko pace ka ba no mo die the sin the same no ka se die ni number obe wi actually na afi ye friend bi say ye man 10 million na obe ja asem na chidi na ran komo na bibi ko esi Nigeria and I say asem won ja actually ni ne in ja actually di china no dey asem na call one of the activists a very dark man and asem ya ba say aye hoja o Nigeria ne Ghana ne Africa ba bia na we na ye bo aso otwuma adwen sisi ade we ni afi na ye ba o da na mum social media na yi suntuma na ye na ye TV ko esi wo ha wote wa ha first no ye ya African first so dey ya dey say o yere nyim na okwakwo wo a unkobi otina fi na o yere wo wi a ye tubofo abeka kiro so wo ba na wo be na ana say on be from there phone wo e be from aka so papa o ba na nyawe na mum ni niam asesa ni ni pabonefo abanti ye bo ase o yere ko no aho wo mre ana wo be na ya ono no nko wai ana tu obi a obegina wa na no nko na mra no kwampo ma kwan se so o yere no pese ogina ne nchen wo wa obi ani ho betima ka so ma nyina ne nchen be show scraps doctors nyama na mo chen bia mo akogina ahwe bia ma akwa na wo se supervision bi wo so ya ogusu aye na ni aside say ye be ka so akwa na film no kwa no ye so apin kura enye new thing ye so apin kura obi pe be ma otimi kwaje obi de ba obi wetima woni de na yare woni obesesare akwaje obi de
Tabusi away ene awehosam ya akwakoto ma na yade a ekoso mpe bebeti ebesre yenya no ma ne titiru ene wo mo ekwa wo so kwakwo ne se wo kwa saa bre no waye mre wani na hontipo obi no nka ho na wonyina ho se enko betime hia se labor room ho obewura ho bia probi na wonwa labor room ho se na ebeye na wo a obetime nya ho na wo se nya wo ba na enko ba se abosom enko na kwanto ya ye wo ba betime nyina akọwie na afre doctor ni bi se ejina ba bi na allegedly no watimi afa oba na firu sem se bia oba na firu so a wo ma wo hu body no se ko ba ne sampo ni aka to so oba firu ma press obo hu ba ne body se be ye mpo a gye abɔfra no free hospital hɔ na fa no kɔ fie na wakɔpɛ w'adeɛ kɔ abɛ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ na saa nneɛma bi a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hospitals no ɛtoɔ ɛbɛtumi atwa mɛtrɛ sɛ wobɛgya wo comment no ɛwɔ comment section hɔ de ama me all the social media handles no ɛyɛ too much gh wo subscribe like ya share na afoforɔ sɛ biribi ahwɛ makra